Welcome to another episode of Millennial Investing Explained. Here's today's question. Do you have any books or resources that you'd recommend to a new real estate investor that wants to learn about raising capital? You mentioned your course earlier, which I think is fantastic for finding good markets, but how about maybe more specific about raising capital or just using other people's money to buy real estate deals?
Well, I think books only get you so far. I find that most books that I read are fairly shallow. They give you a lot of concepts, but they're not giving you implementation. I think that you should invest in your own education. One of the key things is that, paying nothing for education means that you believe that for some reason real estate investing is easier than going to college. Did you expect people to give you completely free college? No. In the same way, do you expect people that are in the trade to give you their time for free? No. So I think investing in education is really key. I find that there's just too much of a focus on, I'm going to listen to 50 podcasts and 200 books and I'm going to get done. The question is, I don't know what the percentage of people are that are done after that, that get in the trade, but I think it's pretty low.
Yeah, I think that's so interesting because I have been the end of the year is coming. I started to think about what I want my New Year's resolution to be. And one of the things I think I'm going to make it this year is to not read a single book. I've read over 50 books for the last 2 years.
Too many, my friend. Because it's very difficult. It almost is too many because your mind is getting dragged in so many different directions, right? Read 10 books, watch 10 podcasts, then stop.
Exactly. Yeah, at least I took some action, which is good. But I think if I slow my roll with books, I think I can even take more action. So that's going to be what I'm going to do going into 2020. So I think that's great advice. That's all for this episode of Millennial Investing Explained. Be sure to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, or subscribe to our YouTube channel to get even more free content.